Hey guys, welcome back to How Logical. Today I'm gonna show you how we can update our Webull account. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the application. After that, click on menu. Next, you will see settings option. You have to click on settings. Now, click on General. Here you will see updates and promotions. It's turned off, but now you have to turn it on. Click on this. Now, Webull account is updated. This is how you update your Webull account. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.